Hey everyone, thanks for watching. In today's video, I will be showing y'all how to make this DIY guitar string art. You can of course do any design and colors you would like. This is just a general idea of how to make string art. So I did have a giveaway in last week's video, and the winner of that is Sarah Jones. So congratulations. I will be messaging you to get all of your information to send you your prize. And thank you to everyone who entered. I will be having lots more giveaways on my channel. So don't be discouraged that you didn't win this time, because I will definitely have lots more chances and opportunities for you to win other prizes. Okay, wait. What was that? So now we're gonna jump right into the DIY. What you will need for this is a piece of scrap wood. This is just a piece I already had at home. You will also need some string colors of your choice. I also got these little wooden pieces. I don't even know what they're called or any of the correct terms that have to do with guitars, but I got these little pieces that are on guitars that hold these strings. I did want to do something that my dad really likes because this gift was for him. I gave it to him for Christmas and he absolutely loved it, but I wanted to get something that I knew he would love. These little mother of pearl pegs, I think they're called. What are they called? A bridge? Are they called a bridge? Bridge pins. It's a bridge pin. You will also need some nails, and the size just needs to make sense with the thickness of wood that you choose. Just be sure your nails are shorter than the thickness of your wood so that they don't go through to the other side. I also used this hook for the back of it so that he can hang it up on the wall. And what I ended up doing is, since this wood is a scrap piece of wood and it isn't the prettiest, I did decide to do a layer of paint right on the top. This is just leftover paint that we had at home from painting our walls. You can use wood stain, paint, or just leave it as is. It's definitely up to you on what you want to do for the background. Once that dried, I did pull up a picture for a reference and went ahead and freehanded the guitar onto the piece of wood. You can also print out a large photo of whatever design you want and put that directly on the piece of wood and just trace it out. My printer is broken, so that was not an option for me. I did want the hook to already be secure on the back side because I feel like once we add all the nails in the front, it would be hard to drill the hook on the back. So I did do that part first, and then I just went ahead and added all of the nails along the edge of the guitar design. So this part is tedious and it does take some time, so be patient with it and give yourself enough time if this is a gift for someone. Now you're just going to add all of your string how you want it. So instead of focusing all on one area, I did kind of bounce around. So I started with the yellow, I went to black, went back to yellow until I got it how I liked. And every time I made a knot on the nail, I did add a little bit of E6000 glue. And then the next day, once the glue dried, I did cut off all of the excess string. So now we're gonna go ahead and add our bridge pins into place. So what I did for this was I used a drill and I just pre-drilled the holes really, really wide. I did add some glue to the end of the bridge pins and then stuck them into the holes. That way the glue would secure them into place and there's no way that they were gonna come out. Adding the strings to the guitar was the hardest part, so it was kind of hard to film it, but basically I just added a thicker string to the bridge pins and then pulled them all the way up to the top. Once I got them in line how I wanted, then I added the 6 nails and I knotted them around those nails. So this is how it ended up coming out. I love the end result and I'm super excited to try other designs, color combinations, and ways to string the strings because you can do certain patterns and designs. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye guys.